Before we hit the send button, let me tell you that I have created a directory under which we will create a React.js application. And I just mentioned that we need to create it with the latest node packages. Let me just click on the send button and see what happens. So now we see that it is trying to create the React.js application, but it is asking us to click on this with the TypeScript. So as we don't want the template TypeScript, we wanted a React.js application. Use React JavaScript template instead of TypeScript. Let me click on the send button. So we will use JavaScript template instead of TypeScript. Let me click on the send button. So now we need to create this directory. Let me open the terminal as well. Oh, sorry, this will be pop-up terminal here over here. And it will start creating this React app. So now it has started installing the packages. So it will take some time. And I'll fast track this once all the packages are installed and show you the required text. Okay, I think by the way it's on the background it is installing all the required packages. It is also asking us to create and navigate and install the other necessary packages as well. Let me run on these as well. So there are two installations simultaneously going on with respect to all dependencies and packages required for React.js application. Now we see that the npm has been installed successfully. Now what we have to do is to also install other dependencies. So I am going to do it manually at the moment for this. So let me just go to this cd, or I'll just copy this from here and paste it on the command prompt. Let's see if it is able to install. So it has started installing the other dependencies as well. So we see that we have successfully installed the package. So there are certain warnings and vulnerabilities for the dependency packages, but it won't affect our current demo on React.js application.